Good morning guys, in front of me is Hammer Update 3 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. At first open your Play Store, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then click on your account icon. Then select Manage Apps and Device and here click on See Details under Updates Available. And you've got two options. You can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can click on Update All to update all apps at once, so you will get all the latest versions of every app of yours. So then you can smoothly use your device in a normal way. If you open Play Store again, you will be able to observe the progress. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.